Hey man, I think these joints might continue to rise. They might go to the moon. Who knows? And who would have thought that this pair would be going for over $500, bruh? We gotta talk about it in today's video, man.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What's going on, man? It's your boy DeVintage, and we are back with another video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thanks for pulling up to the video. And I know y'all seen the thumbnail and the title. Like, hold on, what is he talking about? And I got a very interesting, sneaker to show y'all. And this got a little bit to do with FOMO, man. If you don't know what FOMO is, man, it is the fear of missing out. And I said, bruh, how can I be a sneakerhead and not have this shoe that's got everybody buzzing about it, man? So I had to secure him. I had to grab him. Shouts out and courtesy of the GoDap. If you got this far in today's video and you ain't hit that subscribe button yet, man, you missing out, bro. Go hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way, and this shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So let's run it up, bro. Let's get every video up to at least 500 likes. I know we can do it. So if you are watching, hit that like button and comment 500 likes, man. I gotta see who all tapped into the videos. Comment 500 likes. Let's see who really tapped in to the videos, man. And shouts out to Bruce Buffer. He literally sent over his newest cologne, his newest fragrance, and it's called It's Time. If you don't know who Bruce Buffer is, put a little picture up here. Hopefully I can get the little intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening.
I'm gonna put his intro right here so you guys, if you don't know who Bruce Buffer is, but if you're a sports fanatic, if you like MMA, if you like boxing, you probably 9 times out of 10 know who Bruce Buffer is. But he did send over the It's Time fragrance, and I'm not gonna lie, man, it's a very, very like leathery, sweet smell, and it reminds me of $1 million if I'm being honest. And I'm just smelling it right now, bro. It just smells so fresh. So we're gonna spray it on, and the atomizer is so nice. Only thing I can see that the atomizer is super dope. We're gonna spray it out a little bit. But shouts out to Bruce Buffer, man, one of the GOATs himself, sending over his newest cologne. So you guys go check him out. I'm gonna leave it down below in the description box if you want to tap into it. I'm liking it. Very fresh, very like kind of bright in my opinion when it comes to the smell. I'm not good with breaking down notes and stuff like that, but when you kind of got that nice little hit of sweetness and a little bit of a soft leather, that's a-okay in my books. So go check him out. It's Time by Bruce Buffer, his latest fragrance. Go tap into him. All right, man, so here we have him, and again, man, shouts out to the lovely GoDap. And I can't remember where I tore the label off because I don't want to have this box upside down. But again, man, if you don't know who the GoDap is, bro, they've been supplying my kicks for the last 6 years, and we got the Rambo knife out today. So you know we got some heat, and I definitely think this one right here is going to continue to rise. It's going to continue to, kind of shake people's head like, yo, how's it going for that much? Because these were a lot more limited than people thought, bro. They were a lot more limited. So let's go ahead and get in here. And if you see how I'm holding this box, you probably know what we got in here, bro. I told y'all it's FOMO, and I told y'all at the beginning of May that these were coming to the collection. It's only a matter of time, and I was a little nervous. I ain't gonna lie, your boy been spending a little bit too early on certain sneakers, like the trophy rooms, they dropped a little bit, but I did not think that these were gonna go down. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's a huge box. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, I'm right here. Let me go ahead and pull these things out real quick, and man, hold dice. You see it, man. Holy, you see it, man. Huge box. Let's go ahead and peel it open. And I think I already spilled the beans. I should know exactly what we have, bro. Shouts out to the lovely GoDap. You guys see it, man. Authentication card. Let's flip it open. I already know that y'all know what we got, bro. So let's go ahead and check it out. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Y'all see what we got, bro? We got the briefcase on deck, man. You see it. And let's go ahead and rip this bubble wrap off the shoe, man. They package these things like crazy, and I'm wondering how they actually authenticate these things with, all this foam and stuff. They ain't messed it up. It's still nice, pristine condition, but you see it, bro. Y'all see it, man. Call me Briefcase D, bro. We secured the bag. We secured the briefcase. Let's go ahead and flip these things open. Hold on, y'all. Let's flip them open and let's see what we have. Let's see, man. Let's see. Okay, man. On the inside, got the foam up here, and we finally have the shoes. And yes, sir, man. First time ever in the collection. We do have the Air Jordan 17 Low Lightning, guys, man. I know y'all probably like, yo, DeVintage is a huge hype beast. Out of nowhere, he now spending, $500+ on shoes that's above a 13 or 14. And that's because I really wanted these. You don't know, bro. I got a couple pairs of things over 14. Don't believe the hype, bro. Do not believe the hype. If y'all want me to, I can start pouring out some pairs like these joints right here. Yeah. I ain't know I had these. But your boy got a couple of different pairs. We got some 18s, we got some 19s, we got some 20s, we got a couple different J's in the collection. So do not believe the hype, bro. Hey, I'm still expanding the collection. But you guys see it, man. You cannot tell me that this isn't a well-executed Air Jordan, bro. And for it to be a Jordan over 14 or 13, they got a lot of hype and a lot of buzz. And I think that's all due to the fact that it came out after the drop. They said there were only like 10,000 pairs of these Air Jordan 17 Lightnings. And I said, yo, it all makes sense, bro. It all makes sense. And that's why I be telling people, bro, buy now, or I tell you, probably wait a little bit. Like I told y'all to wait on the J Balvins. They are still currently dropping. But when it comes to these, bro, I definitely think that time is much rather, sooner than later. Don't wait too late, because, I was seeing the prices. I was going for like $550, going to $570. The next thing you know, I paid like $560. I said, yo, I got to do it, bro. So I ended up spending like $590, right around that $600 price range. And that's because, bro, one, I had FOMO. D got juice, he showed them on his post, and I said, bro, I think it's about time for me to have them, man. But you see, bro, you got the chrome plate on the back. You peel that off. And I think that, just like the LeBrons, you got that little chrome plate on the back. It does, kind of chip up and break off. But that might not be for the 17s. I think I seen an older pair, they did not break off. But other than that, bro, the entire construct is really lovely. You got the sock liner up there at the top. And just the overall leather quality is really nice. It feels like some actual real leather, not that fake leather that they be throwing on these other GRs. These seem like they came straight from Italy, you know what I'm saying? Leather straight from Italy itself, man. But I did want to read the official colorway off of the box right here. Now, hold on. So the fish color reads Air Jordan 17 Retro Low SP, white, lightning black, and chrome. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. And the box is huge, y'all. The box is huge. It's almost bigger than my torso, man. It's that big. No diddy, because they did have to house these huge briefcase. And I'm telling you, bro, this is one of them ones that I have to keep, bro. It's like one of them collector pieces that you're not going to see a lot of, bro. Like I said, 10,000 pairs. The resale price is a little bit crazy. I told y'all to wait a little bit, but I think now is the time. If you wait any longer, people gonna start rocking in pairs, and DS pairs gonna get real slim pickings, and you're gonna end up paying a lot more than you want to, bro. But man, check out the presentation, man. I just can't get enough of it, bro. FOMO is real. That FOMO had me spending $500+ for a pair of Air Jordan 17s. Is crazy. Please don't call me a hype beast, because I do not think I'm a hype beast. I think I really wanted these, and I told y'all at the beginning of May, or really the beginning of April, I said, man, I got to secure the 17s. Now this briefcase is getting heavy, so let me put this thing down real quick. Another cool thing about these 17s is the trackpad, super different. I'm interested in seeing how these do fit on the court, how they feel, how they grip, how that trackpad, kind of reacts to the court, because this is a weird, bizarre outsole, if I'm being honest. And even the lacing system is pretty cool. Kind of got this sock liner that goes in here, and it does feel like a very, very comfortable shoe, bro. Got the 2-3 or the G2, little G2 logo on the inside of the sock liner. And other than that, bro, get this nice nubuck on the lacing system of these Air Jordan 17s. Of course, no Nike Air on the back. We usually talk about Jumpman and Nike Air, but for this back tab, got a small little, it's like a grayish or metallic looking Jumpman. Got your lightning hits, of course, on the midsole and on the toe box, along with that 2-3 right there. I don't know if it's kind of hiding right there, it's peeking, but you do got the 2-3 on the toe box. And man, just one of them ones, bro. Your boy DeVintage had to do it. This is one of the ones I had to add to the collection. Might go down as like a top 5 for me, just because I was so hyped to getting these, and I'm super excited to actually have these right now in the collection. If you do have a pair of 17s, or if you have anything over the Air Jordan 14, please let me know down in the comment section what it is, because I know it's probably a handful of pairs like myself that I have. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. to today's video, bruh. We got the pack in, a briefcase came in, the 17 lightness came in secure. Shout out to GOAT. And you guys gonna see another crazy unboxing probably tomorrow, Saturday, so stay tuned for that by subscribing and hit the notification bell. If you did enjoy today's video, man, please, like I said, bro, leave a huge like, send this to a friend, send this to another sneakerhead that might have been interested in seeing the Air Jordan 17s. Hopefully I showed y'all these things enough, but I will be hitting you with a lot of B-roll over these Air Jordan 17s. Might be the best time to buy them right now. If you've been thinking about it, hey, the price only gonna go up. It only makes sense. 10,000 pairs, slim pickings, man. I love y'all. Again, thanks for tuning in. With all that's being said, bro, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.